How to enable and use live caption on a stock Android 15. You can use live caption feature to automatically caption the speech when you play a video on your Android device. To activate it, open the app drawer on your Android device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down, tap on a sound and vibration, and you can search live caption in search setting also. So tap the sounds and vibration. Now scroll down. Here you can find the live caption option, automatic caption speech. Tap on it. By default, toggle off it. Live caption detect the speech on your device and automatically generate the caption on your screen. So you can see the live caption and different setting. Let's see all details. First of all, toggle on use live caption option to use it on your video. Here you can set the language and translation. Tap on it. Caption language set English. Here you can download language if you want to change the language. Also select ask to translate, automatically translate and don't translate option. So select the option. Also select the second language. You can also remove the language here on your phone. To add a different language, tap on add a language. Now you can see the available different language like Chinese, German, Italian, Japanese. You can see the list of available language. Download it to set a default caption language on your phone. Also set a preferred language, translate caption to. Here you can set the language you want to automatically translate video language to your language. So you need to download that language first to use it. So here you can set language translation. Second option suggests detect a language. So new language required downloading to caption or translation. Here you can set caption preferences, how it looks on your screen. Let's see caption size and style. By default set this. You can change it for caption size medium, large like this, very large. So set small, medium, small. Here we set large. Also set caption style by color like white on black. You can see white on black color, yellow on black. So select the caption size and style you want to set. Other option you can find, this is the one of the most important, live caption in volume control. So you can easily enable or disable live caption using the volume up and down button. When you press volume button, you can see the caption icon when you play any video on your device. So very helpful to live caption in volume control. So make sure enable it to quickly enable disable live caption on your Android 15. And the last end caption call. So you can choose ask every time, always or off. So automatically live caption in call. So this is the all customized live caption setting on your Android 50 and other Android device. If you don't want to use, just turn off it to turn off live caption. That's it. If you like it, share it.